Hey everyone, ordered this Camco heavy duty black 20 or 30 pound propane tank cover for the front of my RV. I needed to get one as the wind picked mine up and wrecked it. So we ordered this one off Amazon and we are going to we're gonna open it up. So let's just get a little bit of this tape out of the way. Bear with me for the camera. Oh, side to do here too. Get that done. Around to the other side. Okay. So looks like it comes kind of double stacked. One, so to speak. Little clip on here, propane tank cover, functional design, go RVing. Gives you some instructions, says what you need for tools. Pretty simple, really. It's got a little bag in here. I'm not sure what that's all about. A little bit of glue there. Let's see, is this okay? So, wants me to cut this off. Let's go ahead and give that a little clip. We'll take that off. Open this up. And you can see it says LP gas. That looks like the front of it. And it looks like it just clips together. Not really difficult. I did notice there's a little bit more inside the box here. So this is the actual top of it. And then some hardware. So these will be all the screws and everything to put it together. So just gonna quickly put this together and I'll show you the finished product. All right, we have finished assembling this. It took about maybe 5 minutes total. You've got all these little screws that are screwed in all through the sides. I've got this cover attached, so it comes on kind of easy. There's just 3 little clips it clips on. It looks like it's kind of universal front to back. You feed these things through, which are the latches to secure it after. And it looks like you can go from either side if you want. And then when those are down, you just put those in and they'll keep that. So it's an access panel for turning on and off your propane. Again, if you flip this around, you'll see it's really kind of either way you want to do it, front to back. There is a little tab on the bottom here. I'm not sure what that one's for. And then when I was done, I did have just 2 screws and 2 bolts. Maybe they give you extra, I'm not really sure. I didn't do the count on the screws and what it came with, but again, very quick and easy. Looks like it's pretty good quality. You know, there was a couple little parts where there was a little bit of excess plastic that could just come off, but that's not bad. And yeah, it definitely should do the trick. Great value on Amazon for this as a replacement. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching this video, you guys. Do me a big favor and click subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and hit the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I make a video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I will post the link to this on Amazon in the comment section, or sorry, the video description. All right, everyone, have a great day.